Hello everyone, welcome to the post-GATE guidance series of IMS GATE Academy. Myself Prateek Mishra, and in this video, we will going to discuss about the top MTech specializations offered by IIT Delhi for civil engineering students. We will also going to talk about the GATE cutoff of last year, GATE 2024, and we will also going to discuss about the admission process. So stay tuned till the end, don't miss out any information. So let's start. The first question is, sir, why anyone should choose IIT Delhi? First of all, my dear students, these candidates who complete their masters from IIT Delhi, they are hired by the top private organizations like L&T, AECOM, you have Atkins, FCOMS, then you have Tata Projects. So mostly the students who complete their masters from IIT Delhi in civil engineering are hired in these top private companies. In IIT Delhi, there is a chance of PSU recruitment as well. Sometimes, some of the PSU visit the campus of IIT Delhi for recruiting master students of civil engineering. Apart from that, different research labs like CSIR, DRDO and BARC collaborates with IIT Delhi for different projects. You are offered with doctoral and post-doc opportunities abroad once you complete your masters from IIT Delhi. So these are the four prominent reasons you to choose IIT Delhi for doing your masters. Before moving ahead, let me just make few announcements. First of all, my dear, the Telegram group link is provided to you in the description box. If you want to enjoy the daily quizzes, you can join our Telegram group. Next, we at IMS GATE Academy, we provide you with live online program where we are providing with 800 hours of live classes with doubt solving and interaction. We provide you with theory and exercise book containing 4,000 practice questions, well versed in level 1, level 2 and level 3. We provide you with 33 years of GATE question bank containing detailed solution, alternate solution with key points in chapter overview. We provide you with 12 personalized one-to-one mentoring session which help you to stay motivated, focused and well planned throughout your GATE preparation journey. We provide you with India's largest test series containing 130 plus tests starting from the chapter test, subject test, multiple subject test, advanced subject test along with full length mock test. If you want to know more about our courses, you can book a free counseling session for which you will get the link in the description box. Let's move ahead with this. So here are the different top specializations which are offered by IIT Delhi for civil engineering students. First one is structural engineering, then transportation engineering. Third one is geotechnical and geo-environmental engineering. It is combination of geotech and environment, but mostly the things taught will be related to geotechnical engineering. Then you have environmental engineering and management, water resource engineering, construction engineering and management, rock engineering and underground structures. The total intake is 140 plus. Now, in all these top specializations, the highest placed specialization is structural engineering. Then you have construction engineering and management. And then for all these specializations, the placement observed was on the average note. Let's move ahead with this. Let's see the cutoff for this IIT Delhi last year. So this is GATE 2024 cutoff marks. Cutoff means you should have minimum of 600 GATE score, then only you will be eligible for construction engineering and management. This is not the GATE score for the last candidate who has enrolled in IIT Delhi in this specialization, right? So minimum this much GATE score you should have in order to apply for construction engineering and management if you belong to general category. For environment, you should have minimum of 500 GATE score. For geotech, you should have minimum of 600 GATE score. For rock engineering, you should have minimum of 550 GATE score. For EWS category, for construction management, you should have minimum of 600 GATE score. For environment, 500. For geotech, 600. For rock engineering, again 550. For OBC, I guess the same cutoff is there, 600, 500, 600 and 550. For SC/ST category, for applying for construction management, you should have minimum of 500 GATE score. For applying into environmental engineering, you should have minimum of 350 GATE score. For applying into geotechnical engineering, you should have minimum of 500 GATE score. And for applying for rock engineering, you should have minimum of 450 GATE score. For other specialization, the cutoff is here. For structural engineering, for unreserved category, minimum of 650 GATE score is required. For transportation, 600. For water resource engineering, minimum of 550 GATE score is required. For general, EWS and OBC category. For SC/ST category, for structures, minimum of 550. For transportation, minimum of 350. and for water resource engineering minimum of 300 gate score is required to apply for that specialization. So this is the criteria set by IIT Delhi. The student who are having any gate score less than 300 cannot apply for any MTech specialization at IIT Delhi, irrespective of your category. Okay, now how you have to apply? First, you have to do the COAP registration. After that, you have to visit the IIT Delhi website, go to the admission section for MTech, apply online using the COAP registration ID, and then all the counseling rounds will be taken care in the COAP, right? If you are getting any offers from IIT Delhi, all those offers will be visible in the COAP portal, right? So this is how you need to apply for IIT Delhi. Definitely these cutoffs will going to help you to make a decision whether you are eligible for MTech courses at IIT Delhi or not. Let's move ahead with this. Again, the Telegram group link is provided to you in the description box. So if you want to enjoy the daily quizzes, definitely you can join our Telegram group. We at IMS GATE Academy, we provide you with a live online program where we are providing you with the 800 hours of live teaching with interaction. We provide you with theory and exercise book containing 4,000 practice questions well versed in level 1, level 2 and level 3. We provide you with 33 years of GATE question bank containing detailed solution, alternate solution, key points and chapter overview. We provide you with 12 personalized one-to-one mentoring sessions where we personally take care of our students, plan their schedule and help them execute it efficiently. We provide you with India's largest test series containing 130 plus tests, starting from the chapter test, subject test, multiple subject test, advanced subject test, along with full-length mock test. For testing our product, we have launched GATE Zero Fee program where we are not charging even a single penny. You can enroll in this program totally for free, where we are providing you with 50 hours of concept videos along with 3 free GATE chapter and subject tests and 1 personalized guidance session. If you want to know more about our courses, again you can book the free counseling session for which the link is provided to you in the description box. For this Zero Gate Fee program, again you will get the link in the description box. Okay. So if you have liked this information, don't forget to share with your friends and do subscribe the channel. Thank you for watching.